Hi, I'm going to be making one of these large 3D hearts. So they're solid hearts with a corset string and they can be made in any size. And the polymer clay that I use to make all my figurines and charms is a really soft white polymer clay which I firmed myself, so it took me just 5 minutes to change it from soft to nice and firm and ready to make all my figurines. And I've added how I've done this to the end of the video. And if you would like to discover how to have coloured polymer clay that's conditioned and firm in less than 5 minutes, all the information is available on the Polymer Clay Therapy channel. So here it is, it's all baked and cooled down and it turned out lovely, smooth, white. There's no fingerprints on it and all I did was make it and bake it. So this is the polymer clay, original Sculpey White, that I used this to make all my figurines and charms. And as you saw at the beginning of the video, it's so soft, it's really easy to condition. So I condition the clay while it's nice and soft. I add my own colour and you can achieve some really bright, vibrant colours and some really dark, intense colours. And I just mix in the soft chalk pastel powder roughly, so this is going to give me the colour. So once the powder's mixed in and it's not trying to escape anymore, I'm going to add the firming powder. So this is polyfirm powder, and just a couple of light dustings is going to change it from really soft to much firmer, so it's much easier to work with. And that's all I do really, just mix in the powder until I get the consistency I like. I've never used more than 3 dustings, I think this one I used 2. So I just condition and colour it and then make it firmer. So in just 5 minutes I've got a polymer clay that's conditioned, coloured, firm and ready, which avoids fingerprints and dust, so I don't have to worry about cleaning up my work afterwards. So if you would like more information and see more in-depth colouring and firming videos and making figurines, find us on the Polymer Clay Therapy channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye.